Hello guys, it's Hyundai iload D4CB engine, diesel turbo. Today I'm gonna show you how to put the timing chain. As you can see, there is 3 chain actually here, so I just put 2 of them for the crankshaft and the injector pump, and there is one more. It comes to the injector pump, it goes to the camshafts. So the first one is the injector pump. As you can see the mark here, this one face to this mark, and we put this chain here. The other one is, there is 2 black chain here, and then it face to this mark, and the other one there is 2 marks here, and then the black one, the black chain is here facing that one. So this is for the injector pump, and then there is one guide here which is holding the 10 volt and 12 volt, one guide here and which is pushing with the tensioner, and the second one is the oil pump. It has mark here. This black one is faced to here, and there is one the other side, the black chain faced to this mark. And the oil pump, it doesn't have any mark, so to put this one we need to open this 12 volt, put the chain first, and then tie this one back. This chain, you have to remove this injector pump gear first, after you put the chain, and then you have to tie this one back. And there is also tensioner which is holding 2 chain same time. So this is for the block for the crankshaft. And one more thing is, there is one more chain with a couple of guides and the gear. That's for the camshaft. When I put that one, I will get a video as well. Okay, the head cylinder timing chain, the mark is here. Usually put the mark on the top, and then I have to put this one, you have to put with a chain. Okay, the camshaft is ready. It's marked on the top, black one here, face here, black one face here, the mark is here, and this black one is here. And that's all. This is how you should timing for the D4CB engine diesel, and that's all. Tensioner here, guide here, one small guide here. That's all. Thank you.